In this video, we're going to take a quick look at how we calculate the cost of electricity. Before we get started, we need to know that we have an equation to calculate the total cost. So that is the total cost is going to be equal to the number of kilowatt hours times the cost per kilowatt hour. And this is all information that you can get from your electricity bill, for example. So our first example is pretty straightforward. It tells us that a freezer draws 349 um, kilowatt hours, and that the average cost is $0.066 per kilowatt hour. And we're looking here for the total cost. So if the total cost, we remember, total cost is the number of kilowatt hours multiplied by the cost per kilowatt hour. That gives us 349 kilowatt hours times $0.066 per kilowatt hour. In this case, these are going to cancel out and we're left with dollars. So if you plug that into your calculator, you're going to find out that it costs about $23.03 to operate your freezer for, let's say, a year. So we would require a therefore statement. Therefore, the cost to operate the freezer is $23.03. This is kind of a two-part problem here where it's getting us to compare the price of electricity at two given times of day. So we have on-peak hours and off-peak hours. So we're going to calculate how much it's going to cost to shower during on-peak hours, where it's 9.3 cents per kilowatt hour, and during off-peak hours, where it's 4.4 cents per kilowatt hour. So our givens here are the number of kilowatt hours is 4.0. That's going to stay the same for either case. For the on-peak case, we are charged 9.3 cents per kilowatt hour, and the off-peak case, we're charged 4.4 cents per kilowatt hour. So we're going to do these two calculations separately. So let's do the on-peak calculation first. And the total cost, as we know from before, is going to be the number of kilowatt hours that is consumed multiplied by the cost. That's going to give us 37 cents. And in the next example, we're going to find the off-peak cost. So again, we're going to use the 4.0 kilowatt hours because that's not going to change. But this time we're going to multiply by the off-peak cost, which is 4.4 cents per kilowatt hour. That's going to give us 18 cents. And we could end here with a therefore statement. So therefore would cost 37, therefore it would cost 37 cents to shower during on-peak hours and 18 cents to shower during off-peak hours. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, get subscribed, leave a comment below, and check out our suggested videos. Make sure you hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates.